To make the reinforcement for the handle, we're going to make a rectangular piece that starts with a chain 27. And then single crochet in the second chain from your hook. You don't count the loop on your hook, that's your working loop. We'll count back 1 and 2. Insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. That's a single crochet. You want a single crochet in each chain across for a total of 26 single crochets at the end of row 1. And this is what your work should look like at the end of row 1. Row 2, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and work 1 single crochet in each stitch across. You want to repeat row 2 for rows 3, 4, and 5. This is what your work should look like at the end of row 5. You want to fasten off, but make sure you leave a really long tail because we're going to be sewing this into a tube with mattress stitch around the handle of the crochet bag, and we're going to be going back and forth, so make sure you have a length of yarn that's at least double, if not triple, this length. So cut that and fasten off. Here's my completed bag, and as you can see, I've already added one of the reinforced straps to the first handle. So now we're just going to repeat that for the second handle. And so you want to place your reinforced strap underneath the handle. And it's going to kind of roll up or fold in on itself in order to fit inside this 5-row reinforced strap. You want to grab your tapestry needle, thread your long tail into the tapestry needle, and we're going to work back and forth from one side to the other to wrap our existing crochet strap inside this reinforced strap. It's really important that you not grab the actual strap, so I'm talking about the peach yarn inside. As long as you don't grab it at all with your needle, you're going to be working this as a loose casing around the strap, and you'll be able to slide it back and forth along the strap to center it properly. So you just want to be mindful of only grabbing the stitches in the reinforced strap. In other words, the purple yarn, not the peach yarn. But if you're doing this all in one color, when I'm referencing the color, I'm referencing the actual pieces. So you're just going to work from front to back to front around the next stitch, alternating each side of the strap and pulling taut as you go. This is called mattress stitch. Very simple sewing technique. It's great for sewing garments together, it's great for sewing motifs together, and it's great for sewing this reinforced strap onto our crochet bag strap. It's giving us a lot of extra bulk and a lot of extra padding, so the strap won't dig into your shoulder when you wear the bag. You just want to be mindful that you're not grabbing any strands of the actual bag strap, and you're just picking up the strands from the reinforced strap as you go. And you want to repeat this all the way across. you're going to fasten off and weave in your tail. You can weave it actually through the entire thickness of the bag handle. And there we have our reinforced straps. Make sure you follow the link in the video description to get all of the videos for learning how to make this bag step by step, as well as following the link to the step-by-step instruction page, free pattern page on my website, where you can get detailed row by row instructions as well as detailed charts. If you have any questions, by all means, leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.